Hey guys, it's Wendy here with Wendy's Plans, and today we're just going to go ahead and get started on setting up my Hobonichi Weeks for the week of January 6th through the 12th. And this is my travel slash personal planner that I take with me on the go. So when I leave the house, I just throw this in my purse. That way I have a kind of a idea of what I have planned for the day, so that I don't get distracted and think, oh, I can do this and this and this, and then I don't get anything done that I wanted to get done at home. And then when I travel, it's my travel plan. So we're going to go ahead and get started. I will be honest and tell you, I didn't even set this planner up last week because I was just having one of those weeks of, I don't know, guys. I find this week is always one of the hardest weeks. This week and the last one of the last weeks of January, because those are anniversaries of my father passing on the 2nd. My husband passed on the 28th. So January is always a hard month for me. So I just kind of had a mental break for this past week. I just felt like I needed to take the time for me and not dwell on things and try to make some decisions that I had been struggling with and all that kind of stuff. So I think I got myself together. And this week I'm going to get busy and get some things done. I was planning on visiting my friend Renee last week, but she called me a couple days before and said, "Girl, I am so sick." And it sounded like she might have had like bronchitis or something. Or they were treating her for upper respiratory infection. And I knew she just was not going to feel like having company. I wouldn't feel like having company. So we decided I would wait and come maybe this week. She's going to let me know as the week goes on how she's feeling. And I will go visit her this week if she's up to company. And it's just going to be a rundown for the day and just check on her kind of thing. Now that I've got this on here, I do want to put that because I should get another one so that I have something to hold that one down. I have the ceiling fan going because it just gets so hot in here. I think today I'm only going to do a meal plan here. Whoops. And I am going to do some habit trackers here. And I think I'm going to use this here just for notes for the week. If any, because like I know Monday I need to call my old insurance company and remind them that they shouldn't be taking out money from my bank account for dental and vision because I don't have them anymore for dental and vision, and they took it out. So I need to do that and things like that. So I need a place to put notes. And I'm going to tell you, a lot of times when I'm sitting at home, I have this beside me on the couch where I sit. And my other planner is either on my desk or up in the kitchen on the countertop. So this is the one that I have when I'm sitting down. So this would probably be where I'm going to put notes for my insurance, to be honest. There you go. I have not been drinking any water, so we're definitely going to go back to monitoring that because, guys, I have been really bad. I don't think I've had any water in a week. I mean, I've been drinking stuff, guys. Coffee and yeah, stuff that I don't need to be drinking. But this week, I've got all the water in the car. I just need to bring it in. So, going to do that this week. I should get a Brita pitcher so that as I'm traveling, no matter where I'm at, I could just put the water, let it cycle through and have water in the fridge all the time. That may be what I do. I might think about that now that I'm just throwing that out there. So I need to check my mailbox and cancel my mailbox. So I am going to, all I'm going to do is put mailbox or post office. So I know I need to go to the post office and I want to work at a coffee shop and get some edits and uploads done this week. Tuesday is going to be a $2 Tuesday. And I am going to film on that day. So we're going to do Wendy's plans there. And I also need to take photos, but that'll go in my other planner. Wednesday, I need to make sure I've got plenty of gas in the car. I don't like to stop when I'm out on the road. So when I go to visit my mom, I'm going to drive there. I'll drive to my Aunt Margie's and then I'll come home. It's like making a big U. And I don't want to have to stop and put gas in my car at night coming home. So I want to make sure my car is topped off with gas. So we're going to do that. And while I'm out, I need to go by the post office. And I'm going to do the laundry. So we're going to put all of those in here because those are all not time consuming. My laundry is time consuming, but yeah, I'm checking the post office box and gassing up my car is the most important. I'm going to get groceries that day too, but I will, that's probably what I'll do last. Thursday, I am going to visit my mom. So let's use this one. And then I was like, wait a minute, where's my other dots? And then I'm going to visit my Aunt Margie. Then on Friday, I think I am going, hopefully, I'm going to visit my friend Renee. And I need to check my post office box. And I can check that going or coming. And Saturday, I'm just going to clean the house on Saturday. So we're just going to put a dot down that I'm cleaning the house. I'm not planning anything for Sunday. It's going to be a chill day. So we're just going to leave that day open. So this page is going to be for notes. Now let's see how many I can use from here. Let's do, I'm going to put travel on Thursday. I'm going to see my mom. And $2 Tuesday on Tuesday. I don't need to put groceries down because I'll know that. Coffee time because I am going to work at the coffee shop on Monday. Laundry is going to be on Wednesday. I'm going to get a cleaning for Saturday. I'm going to get a different one for that. I'm going to put lazy day on. This is going to be a lazy day. I'm just telling y'all on Sunday. It's just going to be my lazy day. Alrighty, now let's see what I have. Here, I'm going to do check mail on Monday. I have a couple of days I'm going to check the mail, so I do that on Friday. And then I am going to do it. I folded the end of the sticker down, but okay, we're going to still use it on Wednesday. Is it Wednesday? Yep. There we go. Got a road trip on Friday to go visit Renee. Fill up gas on Wednesday. We got cleaning day on Saturday. This is a big one, but we'll use it. Now, I think the rest of it I'm going to have to write in. What is, oh, visit my Aunt Margie. So I'm going to turn you, hopefully my ink has all settled it down. It is. And I think that's it. So over here, this is going to be I'll make my bed. I want to tidy up every day and then just have one big cleaning day. And I want to get out and walk. So we'll see how often I do those things. So that is going to be my week for this week. And guys, if you enjoyed this video, then leave me a car or some kind of transportation down below. And until next time, guys, bye-bye.